Hey, sup guys? We gonna make a little bit more ice cream today. I made some. Go ahead.
And if you punch these up, you have to mix it up so you can see if they are all or if they are all little.
Little, yeah. I started out with 24 of these Oreos. For some reason, I think only 23 made it into the bowl here. I don't know what happened. But anyway, so we got that smashed up. Just got 2 cans of sweetened condensed milk in here and maybe a teaspoon or so of vanilla. And I just took my half and half out of the freezer, so it should set up a little faster. Yeah. And I'm just gonna dump this in here. It's super easy. It's just sweetened condensed milk, vanilla, half and half, and Oreos. I'll let you help dump the Oreos in, okay? You wanna help me dump these Oreos in? You hold the bowl, or you wanna rake them? Okay, get to raking. Okay, careful. Yep. And then, so the last time I did it, we wound up with chocolate ice cream with bits of Oreos in it because some of them got soggy and then made the ice cream all chocolate and stuff. So anyway, I'm assuming that's what's going to happen, but we'll just have to wait and see when we open the lid. Anyway, about every 10 or 15 minutes, going to check and make sure we got ice in it and get this thing plugged in and going. So went right at an hour, probably had to refill that like 3 times or so, something like that. And as you can see, it came all the way up to the top and ran out just a little bit. Yeah, perfect. Does that look good or what? But yeah, so I mean for like 4 ingredient ice cream, sweet. 4 ingredient ice cream looks pretty good. And like I said, some of those Oreos got a little soggy, so it turned the ice cream chocolate, but there are chunks of cookies in there. I don't know if you can see that in there.
And it does taste cookie.
It does taste cookie, says the professional ice cream eater. So yeah, really easy recipe. Just 2 cans of condensed milk, a half gallon, a half and half, a teaspoon of vanilla, and 23 Oreos will give you 4 quarts of ice cream brimming to the top. Thanks for clicking.